Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I'm so excited because I just got a package from American Girl. So I'm just going to be unboxing it. So first we just have an order form. Alright, and I did order a couple of other items, so I will show them to you first. I have the doll. I'm just going to put her back here. So the first thing I got was just this little, like, surprise little bag thing. So let's open this up. Alright. I don't need these. Oh my god. This is so cute. Okay, so I got a little sushi and some chopsticks. So here they are. We have the sushi, it's so cute, and some chopsticks. And they have like a little handle for your doll's fingers. Alright, and next I got a free poster. They were just free, and it's of Kira, the Girl of the Year. So I thought this was fun to get. Alright, now on to opening the doll. Oh my god. So I got Kaya. Here she comes with her book. And now I will be unboxing her. I am so excited. Oh my god. I think Kaya is a gorgeous doll. Oh my god, I love her so much. Her hair is so long. Oh my god. Okay, so I have been wanting Kaya for a really long time. I'm so glad I finally got her. I think she is gorgeous. Her hair comes braided. It's so long. It's so like silky and nice too. And I got her book. And I also got her accessories. So let's open these now. Alright, so Kaya comes with her accessories, including this little map with this like little story on the back. She also comes with this little bag. Has little handles. Has really cool little painting on there, details. She comes with another little purse bag with some more cool painted on details. She comes with this really cute necklace. And this is a little horn, I think. I think she carries her water in it. I'm not really sure. I don't really know what this is called. But yeah. So that is my whole unboxing. That's everything I got. And I will be changing Kaya's name slightly. I think her middle name will be Kaya, but I haven't really decided on a first or last name yet. So I will tell you when I do. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Bye. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video by AG62. Like this video and subscribe. See you next week with a new video. Bye!